Today, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Slides to a PowerPoint presentation in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you've built your presentation in Google Slides, but now need to share it, edit it, or present it in Microsoft PowerPoint format. Whether you're working on school projects, business decks, or client presentations, this is a quick and easy way to make the switch without rebuilding everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure the file you want to convert is fully loaded and ready to download. Once your presentation is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, move down and click Download. Google Slides will then show you a list of available file formats. Here, you want to select Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll usually see it listed as Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. Click that option and Google Slides will automatically start downloading your presentation as a PowerPoint file. After a few moments, the file will finish downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or click the file directly from your browser downloads bar. When you open it, it should launch in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the moment where you can check that the conversion worked properly. Take a quick look through your slides and make sure the formatting looks correct. In most cases, the layout will transfer smoothly, but it's always smart to review things like fonts, spacing, images, and animations, just to make sure everything appears the way you want. If anything looks slightly different, you can make a few quick adjustments in PowerPoint and save the file again. And that's it. You've successfully converted Google Slides into a PowerPoint presentation. It only takes a minute, and now your file is ready to use in Microsoft PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech guides just like this one.